Anakin, I'm missing something in here. This room needs something. It has everything, but something's not right. Something's amiss. What could I include in here? I don't know. But Anakin, use the Force and help me. Guide me. Tell me what I need to know.
Well, I know what I need. I need one of these. Jabba Barge, the Khetanna. It's right here in my grasp. Right here. What's in the box? I just told you. It's Jabba Barge. Let's open this puppy up and see what's inside. I already went ahead and cut open the hard to get thing. This thing is massive. Look at the size of this. This is the unboxing of the greatest Star Wars toy ever made. All by Haslab or whatever. Look at this. I can play with this. I could be Luke Skywalker for a day. I could be a Jawa. I could be Klaatu. Or I could be Jabba. Or Gypsy Lynn could be right there. She could be Princess Leia. Look at this in all its glory. From Return of the Jedi, Jabba Barge is right here. And it includes Yak Face action figure with Power of the Force coin. Now, the box came pretty good condition here. The only thing I found was maybe this here, and that could have been manufacturing, but I don't know. So, here's the back of the Barge box. Now, they made this so you don't have to untape anything. So we're going to get this open here very carefully. Alright, here we go. One. And it's a little bit harder than I thought. Now I had to get a little assistance here. These were tugged in pretty tight, so I wanted to stop the recording so we could undo these without damaging the box. So
oh, that's tight.
like I said, you may need a couple people to open this box if you don't want to damage it. They packed these in tight.
I'm sure a machine did it. Sorry, I wasn't prepared to be videotaped. Oh, shoot.
Stop! Read before unpacking!
Luke didn't say this was going to be hard to do. Oh, look at this. Yak Face. And it looks like he has a bottle to drink in. There's a Power of the Force coin. For those that are unfamiliar with Yak Face, there he is. There he is from the movie. His whole brief 1 or 2 seconds in the movie has made this an iconic figure. Well, there's Jabba. What's he doing in here? Meeba wabba, meeba jabba, ho ho ho, solo, ho ho ho. They did a pretty good job on him. I hate to take this out of the plastic. I hate to take all this out of the plastic. But what do I do? Oh, I'm in such a situation right now.
But how will you ever play with it?
What would WWJD. What would Jabba do? Okay, so we got the box out underneath this. Now let's see what we can find when we remove the styrofoam. But I haven't even stopped to read the instructions yet. What do I do?
Typical man.
Huh. Look at the size of this ship. Sail barge. Now they got this tied up like this, so you can untie them, so you can wrap everything back up nice and pretty and put it back in this mess called a box. So let's go a little deeper. Well, we safely removed the ties and everything is as is. Let's see what's in this box. Wow. What's all this? I didn't want to put all this together. Well, I guess we better read the instructions. Let's see what the final product is. But before we do that, let's take one more glance at all these small pieces. So we'll take these out here in a little bit. Let's read the instructions. Well, let's look inside here. What is that? What is that? What's inside here? There's something dead in there. Oh my. And I bet you I can touch it. Yeah, and I can. So let's see if we can get a better look at this. Nice detail they have on that. Let's take a look. Little kitchen area. Look, it has these little things hanging up there that they can eat. Very nice. I don't know if I'm going to put this all the way together or not. There's where Jabba would sit. He would have a heyday right there. Them and little Salacious Crumb. Oh, look at this. Could that be a rancor beast on the side of that? Now, I haven't looked at too much about this. I wanted to be surprised when I opened this. So this is a true surprise. I know a lot of people, they want to learn everything, but I like to be surprised on things. I don't look at spoilers and everything, so I'm kind of doing this for anybody who really cares about spoilers. That's as far as that goes on this over here. Now, there's a cockpit right there. Or some kind of driving mechanism. Let's see if we can find out how to open that up. Well, before I do that, I'm learning about all this other stuff that's on top that I haven't even looked at yet. Look at the size of this thing. So let's... I don't know how to open this. Because I don't stop and read before unpacking. Here's the manual.
I did.
We didn't even put the feet on.
No, that's in that box.
Like I said, I may not put this all the way together right now until I figure out what I'm going to do with that room back there. But that's going to be part of the fun for the people who do want this. Look how big this thing is. Could this be the biggest Star Wars ship that I own? It could be. Well, I tried to get the cockpit open, and it is on there tight. I'm afraid that I'm going to break it right now. So, we got to figure out what we're going to do with this thing. Besides put it together. And maybe I'll do a final video on this. There's some other minor things I'm discovering on this as I'm putting it back together to put in the box. I'm still having a little bit of trouble. This is what I mean. Unless you got a good place to display this thing is huge. But you've never heard anyone tell you that before. But here we are. Jabba Sail Barge. For over 40 years, I've collected and collected all my stuff throughout the years and still continue growing. Anakin, you didn't tell me that Star Wars collecting in general would be so addicting. What are you doing here? And you, Bigfoot. Well, we're going to have to redo this whole room. I know what we're going to do, but it's going to take some time. So, we're going to expand. Like the expanded universe. However, the porgs won't let me. So, we'll see what we can see. Now, these are the open toys that I had as a kid growing up. So, thank goodness I got a little bit older and wiser and got them reboxed somehow. Ooh, yeah. Now, this thing was hard to get back in the day. And I collect other things as well. So, good hunting, everybody. Enjoy your Jabba Sail Barge. Well, that's a lot bigger than I anticipated to be in this room. Back to the drawing board.